Hello there! Ever had issues with your oven? Germans did. So did I. Sometimes my oven gets power surge that trips the breaker, leaving me in the dark. But today we are going to fix that by capping the oven's power. Oops. Smell electronics. So this is a voltage regulator. You have current in and current out. So we are going to limit the oven to 1800, something like that. This is totally optional, but if you want to keep alive, just turn off the breaker. Now this is the oven and we'll need to get the wires. I don't know how to get there. Maybe... Do they have to remove something? There are some screws. Oh! Okay, this is quite dirty. Also dirty inside. Okay. Fuck. What the fuck should I do with this and this? Think maybe. Oh, yes. But first things first, let's clean this a bit. Not the best, not the worst, but better than before. Okay, I wasn't recording, but I just cut the cable and peel the cable a bit longer. Now we have input and output. This is the input, the one coming from the wall. Yeah, it's good. And for some extra protection, we're going to put some tape. Perfect. Okay, this have live and neutral. Live used to be brown or red, and neutral used to be blue or black. Make sure input is input and output is output. If not, you're gonna be in trouble. Everything is connected. The breaker is still off, and I will turn on the breaker. And I'm just praying for this is working. Let's try. Nothing is burning. Seems to be okay. So this should be 230. If the oven is off, should be like this. So I'm gonna turn on the oven and check. The oven is working and nothing is exploding or something. 50, and I had to regulate it to 160. Of course, according to ChatGPT, because remember, I got no idea what I'm doing. That's capping the oven to 1800, and that's what I want. Some extra security, I think. Now comes the fun part. I was trying to stick the regulator to the wall, and I accidentally moved the potentiometer, and when I tried to adjust it again, this happened. Looks like I fucked it up. This look a bit worn. I think I touched something that I should not. The oven was working even with this broken. The regulator was not working, but the oven was working like normally. So I think I broke some component inside. Anyway, I just order a new one and let's try again tomorrow. This is the next day, and I was not recording the audio. This is what I had. And this is me connecting back everything again. 51, 137. Too much. Close enough. And this time I'm not going to make the same mistake. I'm gonna mark it 460 volts. Mm. A paint in the plastic. Nothing here actually. It's going to. This is the final test. If I turn on max power for a couple of minutes and it's still working, everything is going well. E. Let's wait. Power is working. Everything seems to be okay. Finally, I did something well.